Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be really short and sweet, and I'm gonna show you my secret to achieving fuller looking pout or making your lips look a lot bigger than they actually are. So let's get started. The first and the most important thing is to use a lip balm. Always use a lip balm before applying a lipstick, because no matter whatever big brand lipstick you're using, but you're going to get chapped lips if you don't use a lip balm. I'm using the one from Nykaa. Next, I'm using my Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Trophy Vibe. You can use any lip liner that you like. It just has to be a little darker than your lip color. There are various brands in the market who have really good lip liners. Like you can go for the ones from Color Bar. I have it right here. So this is what the Color Bar lip liner looks like. Also, I have the one from Kiko Milano. This is what it looks like. I'll also swatch the Color Bar one. This one's from Huda Beauty, and you can see how it glides on the skin. That's what I like about this product. And we'll get back to fuller lips. So my trick is to overline the lips, but remember that you do it in the very center, and when you go around the edges, just follow your natural lip line. So I'm gonna start at the edges, and you can see I'm following my natural lip line. I'm gonna go right above my Cupid's bow. And we'll repeat the same thing on the lower lip. We'll go a little down in the center, and we'll follow the natural lip line at the edges. So yeah, here you can go a little down. Then I like dragging the lip liner into the lip so that it doesn't look like a harsh line. Next step is to use a matte lipstick, and I'm using the one from Huda Beauty. So I prefer using a matte lipstick over a glossy one. The gloss is gonna show that we are overlining the lips, and that's why we use a matte lipstick. And I'm gonna go on the lip liner as well so that everything looks blended. And you can see I'm also going on the lip line. So yeah, you can see my lips. And the last thing that I like doing is to take my finger and just dab it on the lips. It really gives effect of a fuller lip. So I'll just show it to you. So this is it for the video, guys, and this is how I achieve a fuller looking pout. And I hope that the video was informative, and try it for yourselves, and let me know in the comments below if you were able to achieve a fuller looking pout. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.